Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure buffer for your dropshipping social media. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with buffer, first, visit the buffer website and create an account. Once you've registered, log in to your buffer dashboard. Next, click on the Add a Social Account button. From the list, select the social media platforms you want to use for your dropshipping business. Grant Buffer the necessary permissions to access your social media accounts. After adding your accounts, navigate to the Content section of the dashboard. Here, you can start creating your social media posts. Click on the Create Post button for the platform you want to schedule a post for. In the text box, write a compelling caption for your dropshipping product. You can also add images or videos by dragging and dropping them into the designated area. If you want to include a link, simply paste it in the URL box. Buffer will automatically generate a preview of your post. Once your content is ready, you can choose to either publish it immediately or schedule it for later. To schedule it, click on the Schedule Post option. Select the date and time you want your post to go live. If you prefer, you can use Buffer's queue feature to set recurring times for your posts. Now, head over to the Analytics section to track your post performance. Review the engagement metrics to see which posts are performing well. Based on this data, adjust your content strategy to improve engagement. As you grow more comfortable, explore Buffer's additional features, like Instagram stories and Pinterest integration. Frequent engagement with your followers will enhance your dropshipping brand presence. Continue refining your buffer setup for optimal social media management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.